Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get to control nearby devices and what it does on iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. Even if you have 15, 14, the Pro or non-Pro, Pro Max, it is all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down a little bit and go to the accessibility. So tap on accessibility, then you want to swipe down and get to control nearby devices. And here, this feature allows you to use another device on the same iCloud account. So it means that the other device is need to be signed in to the same iCloud account that the iPhone that you're doing, or iPad or anything. For example, you can start and stop media, activate buttons, or interact with Siri on other device that is signed in to the same iCloud device that you are doing this on. So now you can click Control Nearby Devices, and here you are going to find, for example, your iPad or another iPhone that is on the same iCloud account, and you are going to be able to do something like stop media, play, and for example, as it is here. So again, how to get to the settings? So open my settings, swipe down, go to the accessibility, tap on accessibility, go to the control nearby devices, and once you're here, just tap on control nearby devices. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!